Hello everyone, welcome back to EVS Part First class. Today we are going to learn chapter number 21 Management of Community Life from the Civics section. Now, children, what do you mean by community? Community means people living in one place, for example, in a district or a country. Can you tell? Shraddha, Ayesha, and Emily's parents decided to take a trip in the summer vacation. They booked a special minibus for the trip. In the morning, everyone got ready. They waited for the bus for a long time, but it did not arrive. When they made inquiries on the phone, they realized that the driver of the bus did not know where exactly they were all waiting. Finally, the bus arrived and they set off on their trip. Now here, Shraddha, Ayesha and Emily's parents they had decided to take a trip in the summer vacation. For that they had booked a special minibus. Then in the morning everyone were waiting. They got ready and they were waiting for the bus. They waited for a long time but the bus did not arrive. When they made inquiries on the phone, then they realized that the driver of the bus did not know where exactly they all were standing. Then finally, the bus arrived and they set off for the trip. Now, here the question is what caused the confusion in the trip? Here, the driver did not know where all the people were exactly waiting. So, this created a confusion and he was not able to reach at proper time where all were waiting. Next question, what would you suggest to avoid this kind of confusion? In order to avoid this kind of confusion, you can send the location where you all are waiting to the bus driver. So with the help of the Google map, the driver will be able to reach in time. Otherwise, you can suggest him to use the GPS so that he will come to the place where all are standing. To do any kind of work smoothly, some management is required. Now, what is management? The first step in management is to prepare an outline of how and when the work is to be done. Means, before doing anything, you have to prepare the outline of how and when the work is to be done. If we are going to be working in a group, then the outline must be clearer and more detailed. One has to decide what task. Task means work each person will carry out. Each person must know clearly how to carry it out. Proper coordination. Coordination means working together. Has to be maintained among the people involved. We also need to make sure that each person is doing his or her work properly. Everyone should do their work properly. Also, an estimate. Estimate means judgment of the amount of money needed for the work needs to be made in advance. Means there should be proper budget. If all these things are done properly, the work get completed smoothly. Even if one person make a mistake or slacks off means remaining lazy, then the work does not get completed properly. So what we have learned from this, that there should be proper management and coordination between the people who are going to carry out the task. Even for the small things there should be proper management. We should make a proper outline for work which has to be done. Some management is required even when guests are invited home for lunch. So what management you have to take into consideration for this? The first thing is you have to make an outline about what dishes will we make for lunch. What ingredients are needed to make them? Do we have all these ingredients at home or will they have to be brought from the market? How will you receive the guest? Parents decide many such details in advance and act on them. If everything is decided properly and carried out as planned, the party will also be a success. If something is left out or if a task is not done, it can spoil the party. Means everything should be done according to the plan. Otherwise, if any mistake is there, then it will spoil all the whole work. So, what we have learned from this? That management is necessary for any work to be done properly. A detailed plan is necessary for group work. If work is carried out according to plan, it is done smoothly and on time. So now you can think, if management is necessary even for small functions at home, such as these, how important it must be in running a school, a town, a district, a state, and the country.